Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's just going to be a quick one. I'm just going to unbox the August BELLABOX, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a quick one. Just going to be unboxing the September BELLABOX. Okay, so this is our first spring BELLABOX. Okay, it comes wrapped in a sleeve for our Tarte and our Tarteist lip pencils. So everyone received in this month a Tarteist liquid lip, a Tarte liquid lip. So as you can see, it comes all wrapped up in the box. Still the original blue box within that sleeve. Okay, let's see what we've got. First thing is our information card. So spring shake up. So let's get the obvious one out of the way. We've got our Tarteist lip paint. Okay, I have used a few of these, not this colour, so I'm actually looking forward to that. This one is in the colour Vibin, which looks like a kind of deep burnt red. My kind of colour, so looking forward to that. The next thing that we've got is a live toner, grey toner for blonde. On my profile it does say that I am a blonde. My hair colour changes quite regularly, so I will be blonde again at some point in the time. So I'll just keep that for when that happens. It's a good little addition. I then have the Pure fully charged magnetic powered mascara. So this looks like a sample size, like a deluxe sample, which I actually prefer in mascaras because I try so many. One of these is good. I use it up before it dries out. So I actually enjoy getting those sample size mascaras, and I tend to buy them even when I'm ordering from Mecca and Sephora and stuff like that. I will buy the travel sizes rather than the large sizes because I get more use out of it. Okay, the next product we've got is our Burt's Bees lip balm. I have it in strawberry, so that's a nice one. Kind of, considering winter is over, lip balms aren't something I'm going to use as much, but it's always handy to have a good lip balm. It's sealed, so I'm not going to pull it out at this point in time. Okay, we then have a Vitamasks single-use mask. This one is in kiwi fruit yogurt, skin softening and revitalizing. That'd be nice. I've had a big week. Was away on a holiday for a week. So, but as you know, when you go away, you tend not to look after your skin as good as you usually do when you're at home. So, looking forward to that. And what else? We got some extras in the box. We've got a $50 off coupon for HelloFresh. One of these days I might actually utilize this. People tell me that it's a pretty good little pack. I might try it. Probably lose it before I get around to that. And then I have a little Nature's Common Sense goat's milk body wash sachet. So looking at the information card, the quick dry matte lip paint from Tarte is $29. The Burt's Bees lip balm is $6.95. The Vitamasks is $4. The fully charged mascara from Pure is $29 full size, which is 13 mils. So we're kind of looking at about $9-ish for the 4 mils in the sample. And then the silver toner is $4.89. So we're looking at around $54, $55 value in this month's box, which for $20 isn't bad. I must admit I've enjoyed the selection that we have in this month's box better than recently. A little bit more makeup rather than skincare. Kind of got a bit skincare heavy there for a while. But I like the selection of this month's products. So, quick little video from me. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I'll see you later. Bye.